sir. How the fuck am I supposed to know? Yeah.
Should be coming up on that junction soon. I do declare.
I do declare.
Oh, yeah,
Jonathan,
got puddle. Now it's dirty.
Okay, I'm glad you're happy now. Are you not going to use the windshield wipers?
What?
That was fun.
It's kind of scary.
Fuck you, yeah.
That's the thing, if you ever lock up the brakes and you're pointed towards a cliff, don't let go of the brakes. Because if you do, you will get traction and you will go towards where you're facing. Fun fact. Alright, let's... See, here they got a little sign, orange juice says slow. That means,
Shouldn't your dumbass know to go slow here anyways?
It's probably a sharp turn.
Seems like
Yeah, I can go slow as fuck. Not even touching the brake, bro.
really fucking deep right here.
Nah, ain't bad. That ain't nothing. We're gonna slide into that bank though, so it's alright though. There we go.
It's muddy as fuck. Caution. Caution.
Caution. Full send only.
Wicked. Yeah, caution, because you can fucking fall into this creek.
That would suck. It looks pretty not pog.
That's... Bro, look how fucking deep.
That's crazy,
William?
bro. What?
I don't like being on this side right now.
Don't grab my arm then.
I don't like being on this side right now.
Now you on the fun side.
No, sir, I don't want to be on the fun side. Well, that was fun.
Alright, I'm not educated.
Why are you also acting like you can't steer if I do this?
Because I usually steer with this hand and usually grab it, which makes me turn.
Why? I'm gonna need you to have a little stronger grip then.
I don't expect people to randomly grab my arm.
Okay, I expect it.
Alright. Guess. Alright, we're gonna go through this puddle like really fucking fast, alright?
Okay.
It's gonna be great. We gotta get one good splash in.
We've gotten good splashes in, but sure.
Nah, not yet.
We definitely have, but alright. Not splash on the list. Wee! Yeehaw, motherfucker!
That was a good splash. That was great. Now we got the steam and everything, bro. Look at that.
Is that good?
That's fine. It's because the engine's hot and now there's water on it, so.
Okay, that seems...
That was great.
Thank you, thank you.
Here we go again. Just gotta let it do its thing.
Oh shit, here we go again. Do you know what sound I'm talking about right now? It's a TikTok sound. It's oh shit, here we go again.
Sick drift, bro. Slow speed drift.
Wicked.
That actually is pretty pog. It'd be nice if we started turning now, though. There we go.
No, I say run into the tree, bro. Pussy.
Fuck it. Think I won't?
Think I fucking won't, bitch.
And here we are again to this little spot.
Caution.
Caution.
Which it's William. You're kind of actually really, really, really close to this. That is so fucking sketchy.
That was pretty sketchy. We started sliding towards it too.
Oh My
I think
heart
it got
actually
even.
just
I think it
dropped.
got even muddier since the first time.
Yeah, because it rained,
Yeah,
remember?
I guess so.